Here's the thing, not many people would even think of doing a road trip to Udaipur at this age. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cafe TM with Ridhima. In today's episode, I'm taking you on a road trip from Mumbai to Udaipur. And this road trip is very special to me because in this trip, I have my uncle-in-law, Bhalu Kaka. Bhalu Kaka is 91 years old. He is a general surgeon and अभी तक वो practice करते हैं. And he is a very positive person and that's what I love about him. And his wife Suvarna Kaku is 86 years old and she is very dear to me. She is also a very positive person. She's quite tech savvy. She loves to learn new things at this age too. She has always encouraged me in whatever I do and very sweet person. Apart from that, she's an artist and she writes poems and she is she's very creative kind of a person, so a lot of things to learn from her. And also we have Udayan, Bela. Udayan is Kaka Kaku's son and Bela is his wife. Both of them are gynecologists and Udayan is also an excellent driver, an entertainer. Uske one-liners are very entertaining and he's a very nice person. Both of them are very close to me. And his wife Bela, who is like a sister to me. उसके डिक्शनरी में ना नो नाम का शब्द है ही नहीं. Like for every problem she has a solution and that's what I love about her. One more thing, like Kaka Kaku, they were very enthused to go on a road trip at this age, जिसको like hats off. And उन्होंने उनकी ये desire बेला को बोली. Then Bela took the initiative and when she asked me, I was all game. So let's go. We started our trip on 26th of August and roads बहुत ख़राब थे, बारिश थी. Still हम लोग का spirit down नहीं हुआ. We started super early, like 4:15 AM को इन लोगों ने मुझे pick up किया and by 4:30 we were on the road. Now here's the thing, not many people would even think of doing a road trip to Udaipur at this age. In fact, a lot of our relatives and friends tried to dissuade us out of concern, of course. But you know what? Bhalu Kaka and Suvarna Kaku were unstoppable. Their mantra is simple. Age is just a number. The roads were pretty bad. I mean, we didn't expect roads to be so bad. And the traffic too. Udayan was driving and honestly looking at the road conditions and the traffic, मुझे ड्राइविंग का डेयरिंग नहीं हो रहा था. And top of it, it was raining also. Through traffic jams, bumpy roads and chai pit stops, Kaka Kaku's spirit never once dipped. As soon as we entered Gujarat state, we waited for breakfast and guess what we had? Jalebi and fafda. Kaka Kaku, I always feel that life motto is life is to be lived and not feared. लाइफ में challenges तो बहुत आते हैं लेकिन उससे डरना नहीं चाहिए. लाइफ को पूरी तरह से जीना चाहिए. उसके बाद रोड कंडीशंस जब अच्छी हुई तो फिर I drove for a bit. And for lunch, then we treated ourselves to a proper Kathiawadi thali at Dairu. Honestly, road trips in India are incomplete without that one big food coma moment, right? After 12 long hours on the road, we decided to halt at Vadodara. Bella, my sister-in-law, quickly booked us into Royal Orchids. Perfect pit stop, freshened up, we recharged, and we were all set to explore Vadodara city. So we went to Sayaji Park, and guess what? We got this cute little buggy to drive around. Of course, the mandatory photo shoot had to happen, right? We met this group of Nepalese ladies who were all decked up in red saris, and they also happily posed with us. After spending some time there, then we headed to the palace, but it was closed. So gear switch karke quite literally headed to the mall because Kaku had to buy shoes. Very quick shopping ke baad back to the hotel. We wrapped up the day with an amazing buffet dinner. Honestly, nothing beats that feeling of a full stomach after a day packed with travel and laughter. This trip is proof that adventure doesn't belong to the young. It belongs to the young at heart. Watching my 91-year-old uncle and 86-year-old auntie chase experiences with so much zest, it's inspiring. And that was just day one of our epic road trip. The next destination, the city of lakes, Udaipur. So stay tuned because the adventure only gets more exciting from here. So tell me, what's the most adventurous thing you have seen your elders do? Drop your stories in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories that celebrate life, love and laughter.